In this video, we will be looking at how to find an agent NVR IP camera system on DMSS. This video will likely be useful if you've purchased a new phone and don't remember the previous login information. First, it is recommended that you log in. If you don't have a login, please watch the video linked below on how to create a DMSS account. Now that we're logged in, the first way you can find your cameras is through online search. In order for this feature to work, please make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Click the plus button on the top right corner of your screen. Then select Online Search. If prompted, allow your location while you are using the app. In this case, we will be looking at adding the NVR. Please write down the serial number on the device, in this case, starting with 8D0. Once you have written the serial number down, click the back arrow. Then, click the plus button one more time. Select SN Scan. Select Manually Enter Serial Number located at the bottom of the screen. Then type in the serial number. Leave the security code blank and then switch from account to local. Then click Next. Select NVR on the top right. If you see this page, there is likely an error in the serial number written down. So go back, check, and make sure everything is correct. Select NVR on the top right. Device name could be whatever you would like. For example, home cameras, agent cameras, office camera, etc. Unless previously changed, the username will remain admin, all lowercase, and then enter your password. If you cannot remember your password, please contact the agent security office for password reset instructions. Once you have entered your password, click Save on the top right-hand corner. You should now be able to see your agent security cameras.